Connecting to ADB by Python. Oracle Autonomous Database 2.3 AI. Latest version of Oracle Database on Windows 11 10th. First, we need the TLS wallet settings. In the container, TLS wallet is generated at this location. Copy wallet to your host. To do this, type this command in the terminal and press enter. In this example, wallet is copied to THI folder. Point tns_admin environment variable to the wallet directory. To do this, type this command in the terminal and press enter. If you want to connect to a remote host where the ADB free container is running, replace localhost in this file with the remote host fqdn. In the second step, we need to set up certificates. Container hostname is used to generate self-signed SSL certs to serve HTTPS traffic. In the container, certificate is generated at container start at this location. Copy the self-signed certificate generated to your host, Windows. To do this, type this command in the terminal and press enter. In this example, adb_container.cert is copied to this location. Update your client's trust store with the self-signed certificate generated at container start. For this, see this link. Every command and its result can be seen here. In the third step, we need to install the Python Oracle DB driver for Oracle Database. For this, navigate to Windows PowerShell or Terminal, type the following command. Python mpip install Oracle DB. We should do. Press the Windows key and S to open search panel. Type or paste PowerShell or command prompt. Click to open Windows PowerShell. This is Windows PowerShell. Navigate to Windows PowerShell or Terminal, type the following command, and press enter. Python mpip install Oracle DB. Oracle DB downloaded and installed. In the fourth step, we open the Python interactive shell in the command prompt, cmd. For this, navigate to Windows PowerShell or Terminal, type the following command, py. We should do. Type py command in Terminal and press enter. Now we are in Python interactive shell. Type this Python program in Python interactive shell and press enter. The result of running the program will be like this. The previous program used a verified connection. The way to use an unverified connection would be as follows.